Hi, Elijah.
Hello.
Where are we today?
Windsor Park.
We're at Windsor Park and we're going on the squirrel trail to
Yeah,
find some
Mommy.
squirrels.
Mommy, can we do this one?
Oh,
Mommy.
where's the rooster? Where's the rooster? I don't see the rooster.
Can you video? We are facing to the TV. The TV is like a what I will video. I don't see a thing.
All right. Oh, I hear the rooster. Still can hear the roosters, but where are the squirrels? Are there fishes?
Yeah, you can fish.
Where are the fishes? I just see a dragonfly. I see some. What do they say? There are there's some interesting looking fishes here. What's that? Half beak? What?
Mommy, no, on. Where's Daddy going? Ah, it's a tree they cut down. I think it's better not to. Daddy's legs are a bit longer.
You can listen to the crickets. The crickets singing. There are rambutan trees here. Where's the rambutan? Oh, I can see them. Oh, the red one. Rambutan. Rambutan. The monkeys love to eat rambutan. It's so sweet. What do you see, Gloria? What did you see, Gloria? Oh, so there are durian trees here? That's cool. Now we get to look out for the durian trees and squirrels and large flying fox. Look, you can read. It says large flying fox. And this is the cave, nectar, bat. They eat fruits. Oh, all these mushrooms. What a break! There's tons of coconuts that have fallen onto the ground.
Maybe there's another one here, huh? Maybe.
I'll do it. Thank you for helping your sister. Good job, Elijah. It's a fallen log. Clean his tail.
Mommy, can you go up the stairs?
Sure,
Can?
sure.
But I can see the side that we cannot.
Dragon fruit? Are you sure? I don't think so. Maybe rambutan? are vines.
Mommy's like the snake.
Like a snake.
Like climbing.
It's curly curly. Isn't it cool? Treetop walk. Okay, you walk in front.
GK's Toys. Subscribe for my channel.